Number 1. 1972 Triumph Bonneville 650, $3,800, St. Henry, Ohio. The 1972 Triumph Bonneville 650 represents the classic British twin-cylinder motorcycle era, combining timeless styling with the simple and engaging character Bonneville enthusiasts continue to appreciate. This example shows 10,901 miles, although the seller notes that the odometer reading may not be accurate. Between 2015 and 2016, the motorcycle received significant work including fresh paint on the tank and fenders, a powder-coated frame, an engine rebuild, upgraded Boyer electronic ignition, replacement carburetors, and new rear shocks. The sale also includes the owner's and shop manuals, making this Bonneville an appealing option for someone looking for a classic British motorcycle with meaningful restoration work already completed. Number 2. 1978 Harley-Davidson Chopper, $7,500, Big Stone Gap, Virginia. The 1978 Harley-Davidson Chopper is a true old-school custom-built around classic American motorcycle character and traditional chopper styling. This FL Shovelhead features a new 6-over Springer front end, 21-inch front wheel, 19-inch rear wheel, custom B&C fender, seat, and sissy bar combination, plus a 4-speed ratchet top transmission that has been rebuilt. The engine has less than 500 miles since its rebuild and is paired with an S&S E carburetor, foot clutch, suicide shift, floorboards, kickstart-only operation, and rear brake setup. With its unmistakable period-inspired design and low-mileage rebuild engine, this chopper offers plenty of personality for enthusiasts who appreciate authentic Harley builds. Number 3. 1973 Honda CB354, $2,300, Columbus, Ohio. The 1973 Honda CB354 is a distinctive lightweight four-cylinder classic that brings the smooth character of Honda's larger multi-cylinder motorcycles into a more compact package. This example shows 19,699 miles and has remained largely original, with the exception of the exhaust and tires. The seller purchased it from a retiring collector in 2017 when it reportedly had just 6,900 miles, and it has since been used as a daily rider. Described as reliable, fun, and a real head-turner, this CB354 offers a great combination of vintage Honda styling, four-cylinder character, and everyday usability. At $2,300, it could be an especially interesting choice for someone looking for an affordable classic Honda that can still be ridden regularly. Number 4. 1977 BMW R75/7, $4,200, Highland Park, Illinois. The 1977 BMW R75/7 is a classic airhead known for its durable boxer twin engine, comfortable road manners, and ability to cover everything from daily commuting to long-distance touring. This example has approximately 40,000 miles and has been owned and carefully maintained by the seller for 12 years, with regular oil and drivetrain service along with numerous common repairs already addressed. It also features R80 cylinders with Nicosil coating for a useful performance upgrade, while the seller reports no leaks and says the motorcycle starts immediately and runs extremely smoothly. With fresh oil, fresh fuel, and a reputation for dependable long-term use, this R75/7 could be an excellent choice for someone wanting a classic BMW that is built to be ridden rather than simply displayed. Number 5. 1982 Kawasaki Ltd 750, $2,200, Peoria, Illinois. The 1982 Kawasaki Ltd 750 offers a comfortable cruiser-style package with the straightforward character and dependable engineering associated with classic Japanese motorcycles. This example shows 20,500 miles and is described as running well, making it an appealing starting point for someone entering the vintage motorcycle hobby. The seller considers it a great starter bike, although the fork seals will need to be replaced. At $2,200 or best offer, this Kawasaki provides an affordable opportunity to own a classic 750cc motorcycle without taking on a major restoration. For riders looking for a practical vintage cruiser with some manageable maintenance ahead, this Ltd 750 could be a very interesting option. Number 6. 1979 Triumph Bonneville T140E, $3,000, Appleton, Wisconsin. The 1979 Triumph Bonneville T140E carries the classic British twin-cylinder character that has made the Bonneville name so recognizable among vintage motorcycle enthusiasts. This kickstart-only example shows approximately 8,765 miles and was purchased from Baxter Cycle in 1999, with documentation showing various parts and work completed over the years. The speedometer was replaced when the original stopped working, so the title lists the odometer as exempt. The seller reports that everything works and runs as it should, making this a particularly appealing rider rather than a restoration project. At a firm $3,000, this Bonneville could be a great opportunity for someone ready to ride a genuine classic Triumph home.
Number 7. 1982 Suzuki GS 650 Cafe Racer, $1,800, Lawrenceburg, Kentucky. The 1982 Suzuki GS 650 has been transformed into a custom cafe racer, giving this classic Japanese motorcycle a more aggressive and sporty appearance while retaining its practical four-stroke character. This example shows 35,168 miles and is described as running and driving very well, with a clean title included. The seller notes that the rear tire slowly loses air after a few days, which is an issue the next owner will want to address. Offered at $1,800 or best offer, this GS 650 could be an interesting choice for someone looking for an affordable vintage cafe racer with a solid running foundation and plenty of room for personal touches.
Number 8. 1975 Harley-Davidson Ironhead Springer, $4,200, Columbus, Indiana. The 1975 Harley-Davidson Ironhead Springer combines classic American V-twin character with an extensive collection of custom details and traditional styling. This example has just over 8,000 original miles and features a 1,000cc engine, S&S Super E carburetor, original 50-year-old Springer front end, forward controls, drag pipes, and an oversized custom tank. The metallic red paint with ghost flames is complemented by extensive chrome, embossed leather saddlebags, a Mustang 2-up seat, custom pegs, and like-new tires. It also has both kick and electric start, along with a new battery. For enthusiasts who enjoy bold custom Harleys with strong vintage personality, this Ironhead offers a striking package at $4,200. Number 9. 1971 Honda CB350 Custom Chopper, $6,000, Freeland, Michigan. The 1971 Honda CB350 Custom Chopper takes one of Honda's most iconic classic platforms and gives it a dramatic custom treatment. This project features a girder front end, Amen frame, drag specialty seat, and a distinctive Rainbow Extreme paint finish that changes color in different lighting. The motorcycle has been stored indoors for more than 15 years and was reportedly running before being put away, although it is now being sold as is and will require additional work. For an experienced builder or collector interested in a unique vintage Honda project, this CB350 offers an interesting foundation with plenty of custom character and restoration potential.
Number 10. 1982 Suzuki GS 650E, $800, Hendersonville, North Carolina. The 1982 Suzuki GS 650E offers an affordable entry into the world of vintage Japanese motorcycles, especially for someone willing to take on a mechanical refresh. This example shows around 11,000 miles according to the seller, although the odometer itself reads over 120,000, and the motorcycle has not been running regularly in recent years. It needs carburetor work, brakes, tires, and a battery, while the right turn signal lens is also damaged. On the positive side, the electrical system is described as being in great condition. The original blue side panels are included, and the title is in hand. At just $800, this GS 650E could be an interesting restoration or parts project for the right enthusiast, looking to bring an inexpensive classic Suzuki back to the road.